welcome all of you. Now today we learn about cultivation of cauliflower. First, botanical name of cauliflower, that is Brassica oleracea variety, botrytis. Its family is Cruciferae. Origin is Mediterranean region. Its edible part is its curd. It is a thermosensitive crop. Climate and soil. Climate 15 to 20 degrees Celsius is good for its curd development. It is a cool season and thermosensitive crop. Higher temperature causes brown pigmentation on curd of cauliflower and its soil. It mainly grown in sandy loam soil of a pH in ranges in between 6 to 7. Some important cultivar which is divided into their maturity duration. First is early, second mid, and third is late variety. First early variety Pusa Kethi, Pusa Dipali, Kunwari. These are the early cultivar of cauliflower. Then mid season variety, that is Pusa Synthetic, Vanta Shubra. Then late varieties Pusa Snowball, Pusa Himjyoti, it is Cell Blanche, Pusa Shubra, it's a black rot resistant variety. Then cauliflower is mainly propagated by and propagation and sowing of cauliflower. It is propagated by seed. On an average seed rate of cauliflower for 1 hectare area is 600 to 750 gram per hectare. Then season sowing and transplanting, mainly for early cultivar the season is June to July, and transplanting into the main field in the month of July to August. Mid cultivar they are sown in a nursery bed, that July to August month, and transplanted into the August to September in a main field. And late cultivars are sown on rice bed, that is September to October month, and transplanted into the October to November month in a main field at a proper spacing. The transplanting, the ready for seedlings are transplanting within a 3 to 4 weeks old of a 4 to 5 leaves in a main field. Then proper spacing is a, that is for early variety 60 by 45 centimeter and late variety 45 by 45 centimeter. Layout for the cauliflower is flat bed. Manures and fertilizer. Manures, that is 25 to 30 tons FIM, which is well decomposed, add in a main field at the time of plant preparation and at the time of last harrowing. Fertilizer dose for cauliflower is 160 as to 80 as to 80 NPK kg per hectare. These doses are split into two times, that is full dose of P and K, half dose of nitrogen at the time of transplanting, and remaining hard dose of nitrogen after 1 month of transplanting the cauliflower in a main field as a top dressing. Then irrigation, 8 and 10 days interval irrigation is given to the cauliflower crop. These are variation in interval according to the soil type. Then weeding, weed is depend upon their intensity. First 2 to 3 weedings are done in cauliflower, that is cauliflower field free from the weed. Then harvesting and yield, when curds are attained proper size, delay in harvesting result in poor loose yellow color curd. That is a proper stage of harvesting. The curds are harvested of cauliflower. The yield, on an average yield for cauliflower is 250 to 30 tons per hectare. Some physiological disorders. First important physiological disorder is buttoning. Buttoning in cauliflower. Maximum times asked in a short notes or broad question on physiological disorder of cauliflower. So we learn here buttoning. First, the buttoning, development of small curd because poor nitrogen supply and use of over seedlings. The buttoning is due to the poor dose of nitrogen, that is lack of nitrogen and over seedling in a compact space or in a less space, or more number of seedling in a small space. That is a buttoning occur. Buttoning means small curd formation. Then second one is a raciness. It is due to premature initiation of flower buds because of high or low temperature. Such curds are poor in quality for marketing. See here image. See here image of raciness. This is a buttoning. This is a raciness. Then browning. Bitter taste, brown spot on curd because of boron deficiency. So we apply borax at 20 kg per hectare. We cure the browning in a cauliflower. See even the browning in a cauliflower. The next one is a whiptail. No marketable curd form leaf not developed properly due to deficiency of molybdenum. Whiptail is occur in a cauliflower due to the deficiency of MO, that is molybdenum. You see here like whiptail, like shape of cauliflower leaves. That reason it does not give high market price or not good yield of the cauliflower. Next one is blindness. It is due to the low temperature, terminal buds damaged by insect. Plants do not produce curd. Means the terminal buds or main central portion of the buds of cauliflower is damaged due to the insect or low temperature. That reason curds are not formed. Only leaves are grow. This is called as blindness. Without curd formation of cauliflower, that is called as blindness. Then blanching in cauliflower, it is a special intercultural operation. Blanching, it is a special intercultural operation. Sometimes asked in exam, short notes point of view, blanching in cauliflower. You see here, blanching is an essential operation to protect the curd from sunburning and yellowing. Sunburning and yellowing, we protect our curd by using the number of operations here, so that they may not lose part of the flavor and attractive appearances. This operation done by drawing and tying of the leaves around the curd with rubber band. We tied the See your image. We tied the leaves of all cauliflower near the curd of the cauliflower with a rubber band. This will include milky white color. That reason we maintain the curd white milky color to the curd which may be sold at a higher price in a market. So we give the higher price in a market. That reason blanching is essential in a cauliflower to protect the sunburning and yellowing of the curd. Then next, leaves should not left tied over more than 4 to 5 days. Means these leaves should not tied 4 to 5 days more than. It depends upon the season. Use rubber band of different color. This make easy to distinguish the head while harvesting. We use the different color of rubber band for easily harvesting indication. This is mean the blanching operation done in a cauliflower. So we stop here. Thank you for watching the cauliflower cultivation.